The whole business of what happens to the economies in the areas where life science begins to have an effect is just so dramatic. Because overnight, you'll note that there is a dramatic reduction in the amount of your GNP that has to be devoted to medical assistance. Currently, it's kind of out of whack in this nation, but the Obama administration's new health bill, as it begins to have its application, has a component of it that will encourage the business of innovative research and the transformation of that research into a product and a treatment protocol that hopefully can be ultimately scored and realized as dramatic cost savings, dramatic economic impact by virtue just of getting people back on their feet again, getting people back to work again. That will have a profound impact on what happens to the economy of any region, and in particular, our region right here in the Bay Area.